Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Chemical formula for sodium chloride. Correct answer is the chemical formula for sodium chloride is NaCl. This formula represents the combination of one atom of sodium Na and one atom of chlorine Cl in a 1,1 radiosodium chloride is commonly known as table salt and is one of the most widely used and important chemical compounds in the world. It is an ionic compound formed through the transfer of an electron from sodium to chlorine, resulting in the formation of a stable crystal lattice structure. Sodium chloride plays a critical role in various industries, including food production, pharmaceuticals, and water treatment. Its simple yet essential chemical formula highlights the fundamental principles of chemical bonding and the significance of this compound in everyday life.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.